Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into the Google account you want to inspect. Once signed in, go straight to My Account and open Data and Privacy. This is where Activity Tools live. Make sure Web and App Activity is turned on so Google actually saves the items you'll review. If it's off, enable it and wait a few minutes for recent events to appear. You're doing this to view history and manage what Google stores about your searches, apps, and device activity. Once done, open My Activity to view a chronological list of searches, visited sites, and app events tied to your account. Use the filter by date and product to narrow what you see, or type a keyword to zero in on specific entries. Make sure to click each item to reveal timestamps and related details. You can play voice recordings or open linked pages where available. This lets you understand why something was recorded and decide whether to keep or remove it. To finish, manage what you find. Delete single items, use bulk delete by date or product, or set auto-delete for 3, 18, or 36 months to reduce future storage. Once done, make sure you check the correct account and that all devices had sync enabled, because missing entries usually mean activity was recorded under another account or sync was off. If things go wrong, verify activity controls and device sync settings. Then wait a short while for changes to propagate before rechecking My Activity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.